Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we are trying out a funky new product. We've got this Wicked Kitchen orange pumpkin pesto sauce. So we are going to follow the directions and make some hopefully tasty and delicious pasta. So let's get cooking. Okie dokie, so this jar of pesto is actually made for pasta. And it says, per person, allow 2.5 ounces of dry pasta in half of the jar. And this says, add seeds. Okay. I don't have any seeds, but up there in my basket, I do have a bunch of nuts. I have some, like, sesame cashew things that might be good. But we are just going to start by bringing some water to a boil and measuring out, I'm going to use the whole jar, so 5 ounces of dried pasta is hopefully what I'm going to eat today. So I'm already failing. I just could not pull myself to measure out 5 ounces of pasta. I just think that that's so weird because what are you going to do with the other 3 ounces if it's an 8-ounce package? Or what are you going to do with the extra ounces if it's a full pound package? So hopefully it won't be too saucy, but I measured out 4 ounces. And I am using this brown udon rice noodle pasta. So as I said, I don't have any seeds right now, but I do have these maple honey sesame cashews from Sam's Club. They are super, super tasty. And I have this dry roasted sea salt edamame. So according to the jar, we are supposed to toast whatever seeds we decide, and then we top the finished pasta with those toasted seeds. So that's what we're gonna do. Okie dokie, so we have our pasta boiling. According to the jar, we need 1/3 of a cup of seeds per serving. So I have 1/3 of a cup of the dry roasted sea salt edamame and 1/3 of a cup of the sesame cashews. And after I toast this, it doesn't say for how long, it just says to toast it. Then I season with salt and chili flakes. Well, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I don't cook with salt. So I just have 1/8 of a teaspoon of aleppo pepper here. So the udon noodles are done, but I just want to try this pesto before. That's kind of funky. The sauce reminds me of like bitter lemonade mixed with pumpkin pie with a little bit of curry spices, if that makes any culinary sense at all. I mean, it's pretty funky. So right now I am just heating it up with the sauce because the directions for my pasta did say that I had to rinse off the noodles. So the sauce did not get heated at all when I added it to the pasta. So I'm just going to heat this up, and then I will be adding my toasted toppings once everything is ready. It is super duper oily, but once you add like a pasta like these brown rice udon noodles, the funky strangeness kind of diminishes a little bit. But holy cow, it looks so good. I feel like most of the like fullness and substantialness, if that's a word, from this meal will probably come from the nuts and seeds because you add so much to the top of it. But this looks really good, and I cannot wait to dig in. That is a delicious, delicious, delicious lunch. You guys definitely need to figure out how to buy this pesto. I'm already annoyed because I bought it in a 3-pack on Amazon, 3 different flavors, and it's no longer available, and you can't really buy it anywhere. So hopefully I figure out where I can buy it, because I already tried the black olive pesto, absolutely amazing, and this pesto is really, really good in this whole dish too. I mean, overall, a really great product, and seems to be a good company. Do you want some? Zena likes it. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.